Friends, shall we match now? Mosquitoes. Malaria, dengue. Baby mosquitoes. Larvae. Microscope. Magnifies small things. Anemic. Less iron in the body. Jaggery. Green leafy vegetables. Have iron. Let us help Bert fill in the blanks now. Poured on stagnant water does not allow the mosquito to breed. Kerosene poured on stagnant water does not allow the mosquito to breed. Is an instrument that magnifies small things. Microscope. A microscope is an instrument that magnifies small things. Was the scientist who discovered that mosquitoes cause malaria. Ronald Ross was the scientist who discovered that mosquitoes cause malaria. Mosquitoes breed in water collected in empty and vessels, coolers, tires, holes, tanks. Mosquitoes breed in water collected in empty vessels, coolers, tires, holes, and tanks. And are diseases caused by mosquitoes. Malaria, dengue, chikungunya, malaria, dengue, and chikungunya are diseases caused by mosquitoes. Baby mosquitoes are called larvae. Baby mosquitoes are called larvae. In ponds can eat up the mosquito larvae. Fish in ponds can eat up the mosquito larvae. Will you help Butterfly find out which of the sentences are true and which are false? Then, can you think of correct answers for the false sentences? Many insects and mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. True. If you are anemic, there's nothing you can do about it. False. Fish in ponds eat up the mosquito larvae. True. In 1902, Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize for Medicine for his discovery that mosquitoes cause malaria. True. A microscope makes big things look small. False. Flies also cause malaria. false. If you are anemic, you should eat jaggery, gooseberry, and green leafy vegetables. True. Will you help Rabbit tick the correct answer? The scientist who discovered that mosquitoes carry malaria germs was Benjamin Franklin, Edward Jennings, or Ronald Ross. Ronald Ross. The scientist who discovered that mosquitoes carry malaria germs was Ronald Ross. A person is anemic when he has too much water in his blood, has less iron in his blood, or has less sugar in his blood. Has less iron in his blood. A person is anemic when he has less iron in his blood. Eating green leafy vegetables help to increase knowledge, increase hemoglobin, or increase fat. Increase hemoglobin. Eating green leafy vegetables help to increase hemoglobin. To prevent mosquitoes from breeding, we must fill all our vessels with water, catch them with a fishing net, or pour a few drops of kerosene on stagnant water. Pour a few drops of kerosene on stagnant water. To prevent mosquitoes from breeding, we must pour a few drops of kerosene on stagnant water. Mosquitoes cause diseases like dengue, chikungunya, malaria, or all of the above. All of the above. Mosquitoes cause diseases like dengue, chikungunya, malaria. The amount of blood taken for a blood test for malaria is a cupful, a full bottle, 2 to 3 drops, or none of the above. Two to 3 drops. The amount of blood taken for a blood test for malaria is 2 to 3 drops. Mosquitoes lay lots of eggs and breed on clear, running water, stagnant water, or none of the above. Stagnant water. Mosquitoes lay lots of eggs and breed on stagnant water. Malaria is common in season: summer, monsoon, winter, or I don't know. Monsoon. Malaria is common in monsoon season. A person with malaria has diarrhea, a skin rash, high fever and shivering, or none of the above. High fever and shivering. A person with malaria has high fever and shivering. Baby mosquitoes are called puppies, kittens, larvae, or none of the above. Larvae. Baby mosquitoes are called larvae. Shall we answer these questions? Friends, will you please write the answers in your notebook also? How do mosquitoes cause diseases? Mosquitoes bite human beings and pass disease carrying germs into our bodies. What are the different diseases that mosquitoes spread with their bite? Malaria, dengue, chikungunya are the diseases that mosquitoes spread with their bite. How is blood taken for a test for malaria? The doctor pricks the finger with a needle and takes 2 to 3 drops of blood for testing. How do you know whether a person has malaria? A person gets high fever, feels cold and starts shivering. Then his blood is tested to check if he is suffering from malaria. What is anemia? When there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood of a person, then it means that the person is anemic. What happens when a person is anemic? When a person is anemic, then he starts feeling very weak and tired. What can people do to avoid being anemic? They should eat food that has plenty of iron, like jaggery, gooseberry, and green leafy vegetables. Who discovered that mosquitoes caused malaria? Ronald Ross discovered that mosquitoes caused malaria. How did he discover that mosquitoes caused malaria? Ronald Ross looked at mosquitoes through a microscope and found some germs in their stomachs. These germs were the same as the germs found in the body of a person who had malaria. So this way, he found out that mosquitoes caused malaria. Why should we not leave empty containers outside, especially in the rainy season? Empty containers collect water in the rainy season. This stagnant water breeds mosquitoes and other insects that cause diseases. So, we should not leave empty containers outside. How can you prevent mosquitoes from breeding? We should not allow stagnant water in our area because mosquitoes breed in this water. We should dry up this water or put some kerosene oil on the water to prevent mosquitoes from breeding. We should keep our area neat and clean. We should clean water tanks and keep them closed with the lid always. Goodbye, friends.